In order to secure the box so that it will not come off like so and it's going to be sturdy, there are two ways to do it. One is to insert the Velcro hook and loop into these walls. The other one is to put the Velcro on the bottom, and I'll show you how to do that now. So first you secure the box, make sure that it's tightly snagged inside, and then you take like a needle or anything sharp and you point the middle between the three flaps and you put the needle through. Now you turn the box around and you take first, I take this low profile Velcro coin. This is the loop part, and I apply it where the needle went through, like so. And now I take the hook part of the Velcro and I apply the not adhesive but the part that it's attached to the loop, so it's going to be together, and the adhesive part is here. And now I just let it rest down, so now it's these two flaps are together. So you turn the box around, and on this part you apply, again I apply the hook, the one that is kind of rough, not the smooth part. So I apply it where the needle went through. Now I apply the adhesive part, so it's secured. And now I'll take the loop, the soft part, and I apply it to the, again the adhesive is in my finger, and I put the loop with the hook, like so. And now I bring this flap down, so the box now is secured. Okay, this is one way to do it. The other one is to put the flaps, apply the flaps, Velcro into the flaps, and I'll show you that next.